Welcome. In this video, let's learn about National Mission for Clean Ganga and Namami Gange program, the initiative of the present NDA government, and Clean Ganga Fund. So these are all the new initiatives that are involved in the conservation of River Ganga. So National Mission for Clean Ganga is the implementation wing of the National Ganga River Basin Authority, headed by the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so this national mission for clean Ganga is a coordinating body assisted by the state level program management groups of four important states through which Ganga flows. This is UP, Bihar, UK, that is Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. Okay, the aim of this national mission for cleaning Ganga is the effective pollution control in the river Ganga and also maintain ecological flow of the river, okay, to sustain the natural regeneration capacity of the river. Okay, the main function of this national mission for clean Ganga is the implementation of the work under the program of National Ganga River Basin Authority and implementation of the works given under the World Bank supported fund. Okay, World Bank has given 1 billion US dollar for cleaning Ganga. So the programs supported by the World Bank are implemented by this national mission for clean Ganga. Okay, so it also undertakes coordination efforts and also formulates rules and regulation for the better management of the endeavor. Okay, so that is the mission, and the new program has been unveiled during the 2015 union budget, that is Namami Gange project, Namami Gange program. Okay, so it is also called as integrated Ganga conservation mission. So government allocated 2037 crore rupees for this program and another 100 crore for beautification of river fronts and ghats alongside the river. Okay, so the approach of this program is the consolidation of the existing projects that have been underway and the concrete action plan for the future for better sustainable management of the Ganga river. So the program undertakes three time-based approach, that is long-term approach, medium-term approach, and short-term approach. Okay, so under the Namami Gange project, long-term approach include undertaking programs as per the Ganga River Basin Management Plan. This Ganga River Basin Management Plan is being developed by consortium of 7 IITs, okay, for long-term management of the Ganga River Basin in an ecological and sustainable way. Okay, this is the long-term approach of the program, and a medium-term approach, this National Ganga River program concentrates on Nirmala Dhara and Avirala Dhara. Okay, Nirmala Dhara in urban areas include ensuring sustainable municipal sewage management. Okay, so sewage waste which are released into the river is one of the major threat. So to prevent the release of sewage waste, the program seeks to expand the coverage of sewerage infrastructure on the banks of the river Ganga. So Ministry of Urban Development is funding rupees 51,000 crore rupees for establishment of sewerage infrastructure on the banks of the river Ganga under Nirmala Dhara. Okay, Nirmala Dhara second program is managing sewage from rural areas. Okay, rural areas also contributing to the pollution of the river Ganga through non-point sources, that is open defecation, which is runoff after rainfall reaches the river. So this is polluting the river. So to prevent this, the Gram Panchayats, that is villages which are present on the banks of the river Ganga, totally 1632 villages are there on the banks of the river Ganga. So these are made free from open defecation by the year 2022, thereby reducing or totally eliminating the non-point source of pollution. Okay, so third is Nirmala Dhara, managing industrial discharge. So the policy of zero liquid discharge is made mandatory, that is zero liquid discharge into the river from the industries is made mandatory, and rationalization of water tariff, that is taxation of the water usage, encourages the sustainable methods like recycling of the water efficiently by the industrial agencies. So this is the Nirmala Dhara on municipal count and also rural and industrial region. Okay, so Avirala Dhara, that is unobstructed flow of the river, mandates enforcing river regulatory zones on Ganga banks. Okay, and also rational agriculture practices and irrigation methods like drip and sprinkler irrigation, use of water drought resistant varieties, thereby reducing the demand for water, thereby encouraging the unobstructed flow of water, and also reducing the diversion of water from the river to various purposes. So this results in Aviral Dhara. And the fourth point is that ensuring ecological rejuvenation by conservation of aquatic life and biodiversity, and also promotion of tourism and shipping in a rational basis. We know that Allahabad to Haldia is a first national waterway, so this is strengthened to provide for a better sustainable inland waterway system, and knowledge management on Ganga through Ganga Knowledge Center. This is the new initiative. And on short-term approach basis, various schemes are undertaken. These include scheme for rehabilitation and upgradation of existing sewage treatment plants along the Ganga. So lot of sewage treatment plants are not under function, okay, not functioning, so they are rehabilitated and upgraded for better efficient utilization, and ensuring 100% sewerage infrastructure in identified towns alongside the Ganga. This is the second point. And in situ sewage treatment in open drains, and supporting for the preparation of detailed project reports, development of river fronts, okay, in major cities and towns, and industrial pollution abatement at the Kanpur city. Here the major pollution is happening in the Kanpur city, so industrial pollution abatement is carried out. An action plan for Chardham Yatra, that is providing proper public amenities and waste disposable facilities and maintaining sanitation in this area. These are some of the short-term approaches. And also conservation of flora and fauna through afforestation, capacity building of urban local bodies. So these are the short-term approaches under the Namami Gange project. So along with that, conservation of aquatic life, Ganga Vahini, GIS based data and spatial analysis, thereby efficiently managing the program, and study of communities depending on the Ganga for the traditional livelihood, okay, thereby integrating them in conservation of the river, okay, involving the local people in cleaning the river Ganga, okay. National Ganga Monitoring Center for real-time monitoring of the pollution of the river and also water quality, special guidelines for sand mining in Ganga for ecological sustainability and geological stability, and assessment of special properties of Ganga water, since we believe that Ganga has medicinal values and Ganga has certain divine power, so special properties of Ganga water are to be assessed, thereby providing it scientific backing, okay. Communication and public outreach activities, thereby involving the common man, women to conserve the river Ganga, okay. So these are all the initiatives under the Namami Gange project, that is on a long term, medium term and short term basis, okay. So another initiative is the setting up of Clean Ganga Fund. So Clean Ganga Fund seeks funding donation from NGOs, NRIs, non-residential Indians, NGOs, common public, institutions, organization. Anybody can donate their money to the effort of cleaning Ganga river to Clean Ganga Fund, okay. So the money donated is 100% tax exempted under section 80G of the Income Tax Act. So you can also involve in donating funds, create awareness by involving voluntarily, and plant trees along the river Ganga for maintaining afforestation, and pilot new technologies if you are a scientist or any genius, okay. So the conduct research and adopt ghats if you have money for cleaning of the ghats, okay. So these are all the initiative to involve the common people in cleaning effort. So these are innovative means to clean the river Ganga. So this is it about this Namami Gange project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates.